Birds, written by Gilly MacLeod.
Birds all around. You can see birds all around you. Look for them flying around in parks and gardens and at the beach. Not all birds can fly. The ostrich cannot fly, but it can run very fast. The ostrich is the biggest bird of all. It is taller than a man. Seabirds. Flocks of seagulls swoop in the air by the sea. Seagulls have a loud, screeching call. They eat things like fish, crabs, and prawns. You can see puffins on cliffs by the coast. They dive down to grab fish from the sea. Puffins have red and blue beaks. They look a bit like clowns. Woodland birds. Woodpeckers tap their beaks on tree trunks and make a loud rat-a-tat sound. They are looking for insects to eat. Crows are very clever birds. They can open snails by dropping them onto stones. You can see crows in woods and in towns. Hunting birds. Owls hunt at night. They can see in the dark and have strong beaks and sharp claws. Owls do not make a sound when they fly. Hawks hunt in the daytime. They glide high in the air. Then they swoop down to catch small animals on the ground. Bright birds. Parrots are very bright birds. Some are red, yellow, blue, or green. Parrots are often kept as pets. You can teach them to talk. Peacocks are bright blue and green. They can make a huge fan with their tails. People sometimes keep peacocks in their gardens. Tall birds. Storks are very tall. They have long legs and long, slim beaks. Storks love to stand on one leg. They clap their beaks to make a loud sound. The heron is tall too. It has a very long neck and a strong beak. Herons wade in ponds and streams, looking for fish to eat.